pai pa nong song snong jong ka Nongkseh pa shlong ki le mi pai pa akajan mi si ba ban sakhi ma khaman ya ki lai tili ki project ki ba he ha snong jong ki yakini ki project pa kan thop ya ka Madan Nongkseh balashna thymmai do artificial turf kan thop ya ki jaka shong pet kai nang ta ya ka project thung tin kumjo ya Madan basketball la one man play do mentri rang ba ka jala ko rat ke sama ring kat ka jingna nang mentri ka tana sports pa shak le archery Adan lang ru hakani ka sngi wemeli ka milim ba RV lingdo wemeli ba rem ka than ba chief advisor mentri rang ba hamlet doling chief secretary ke jilla ba DP walang ki he sorka ki nongilam shnong na ki shnong ba marjan bat ki begi we hakani ka program bala pelong dapat bar shnong Nongkseh ringkan ka Nongkseh Sports Social and Cultural Club o mentri rang ba ulapan pa ka jing ka man manyo i ya ka jing la ka bakra jong ka ka Madan na ka e ka ba ula sakhi min shwa ha ka por pa ang patchnaya ka shwa kani na ka liang president jong ka Nongkseh Sports Social and Cultural Club pa Daniel thank you ulong ba ka Nongkseh ayo dealing ba kikti basbon jong mentri rang ba ublai ka luit min sim ya jing don kam ka shnong barok away shwa kani mentri rang ba ulai ru ka jing ket pok ya ki wangi le kai jong ka Nongkseh ki badan menta ha ka dan first division na kaliang wemeli barem ka meliam ba hamlet doling ha kani ka janmin ulano senyang lang da ka song pisa sha ka Nongkseh Sports Social and Cultural Club
very happy today to be here amongst all of you. I still recall coming here when there was nothing on this ground. It was a very not that maintained, I should say, ground, and yet I remember our youngsters used to still play. And even I think this building also was just being constructed during that time. And of course I came to inaugurate it. And when I came to inaugurate it, that's when we had surveyed this field to see how we can improve the overall infrastructure out here. And all I can say is I'm deeply satisfied. That's all I can say. I'm very satisfied to see what has happened out here. And I don't want to be sounding too over dramatic, but I don't feel like I'm in Nongkseh actually. Don't mind putting it that way, because it is a complete transformation, I should say. And it has just uplifted the overall feel And I'm sure the residents will feel it more than me, that you really feel that positivity that comes in. It's not just about the playground, but I think the overall positivity that it creates. And I'm so happy. That's the reason I use the word I'm satisfied to see the kind of work that has taken place.
Man kasmi ini itu yang ni parji ini arbaji lagi dia mesti. Berkebas kenapa? Kalau bagi paipa dibayar curuh sini kitab tak ada teman. Kitab tak ada sungguh ya ibu beri. Ikut bok kedurian. Bagani lagi ke bang aku abang tempau. Ya borok itu di bawah lagi ni kesini kita yo. Bagi bang don ni bagi empat step. Empat dor senang empat sports club. Bagi train bagi penbiang ini. Adap dah bagi sungguh mata kesini, tadi kesini jom bagi sungguh, tadi kesini jom bagi teman, tadi kesini jom bagi sedang thymmai, dia bersenang Nongkseh, bagi ilong di badan pop aduk kata-kata, bah ngiyo yang chief minister, bang penjuki ini, kalau pun create a speech, ada dia ni, but masih kuat pun pemau tak ini. So we are very grateful to you. We cannot express our feelings just like this, but in our hearts, in our minds, like I said, you are the people's CM. We are grateful to you, sir. Countless of CMSDF schemes, countless of CMSG schemes to school, to churches, to colleges, to individuals, to entrepreneurs, and to our Nongkseh. I'm mentioning this only about Nongkseh. We have received 1.05 crores for the mushroom project, 2.4 crores for the artificial turf, and we are yet to submit the scheme for the basketball court. We made this basketball court in a record of 10 days. You will see, we try again.